Now we discuss about desirable change. These are the changes which we desire. Now what do you mean by desire? Which we want. Therefore, the desirable changes are the changes which we want to occur them. Okay. Now what are the daily examples of desirable change that we want? Now, first example is rain bringing water for germination of seeds. Rain bringing water for germination of seeds. We require water for the germination of seeds. Therefore, this is desirable change. And next one is change of milk to curd. We want curd. We want curd. This curd is obtained from milk. Therefore, this change is desirable change. Examples I repeated. Rain bringings for the germination of seeds is an example of desirable change, and change of milk to curd is also a desirable change. Reopening of fruits and are the examples of desirable change. Now we discuss about undesirable change. Now what is undesirable change? The change that we don't desire are known as undesirable changes. These are the changes which we don't desire to occur, or we don't desire to occur them in our daily life. Examples like pollution. Some changes like we use vehicles they cause pollution, but pollution, we don't desire pollution. We don't desire noise pollution, water pollution, air pollution, which occur in daily life and harms humans and all living organisms. And next one is rusting of iron. When we forget iron in the moisture and in the air, then what causes? Rusting causes. Now we see that what is rusting? What is rusting? A brownish layer of iron deposit on any nail or anything which is made up of iron. This is known as rusting. We see here that brownish color layer is deposited on this iron nail, which we can't want or which we can't desire. Therefore, this is an example of undesirable change. Now, our next change is temporary change. Now, what is temporary? These changes are reversible, and in this change, no new substances form. In this change, no new substances form. Therefore, this is like physical change. No new substances form. It is also reversible change, and this change is also known as temporary change. Now, what are the examples of this temporary change? Is the melting of ice. When we pour ice in presence of sunlight, it melts in few hours or few minutes or few seconds. It depends on the amount of ice. And melting of chocolate is also an example of temporary change. Now we see the live example by the balloons. I have two balloons. One is, we have two balloons in which air is not filled and in which air is filled. Now we can change this back to this type by removing this air. Okay, therefore this is temporary change. I repeat it, the temporary change of balance is because of it is reversible. And what do you mean by reversible? It changes into its original form. Therefore, this is reversible change. Next change is permanent change. Now, what are the permanent changes? These changes are irreversible. These changes are irreversible, and here new substances form, like we change milk to curd, but curd can't be changed to milk. Therefore, this is permanent change. And next example of permanent change is cooking food. We cook raw materials that we can't eat. Therefore, we cook it, and this is example of permanent change. And if we cook the food, then that food can't be changed into its raw materials. Therefore, this is irreversible change. It can't be changed into its original form. Therefore, this is permanent change, and new substance is formed here. And next example of permanent change is boiling eggs. When we boil eggs, it bursts out and it can't be changed into its original form. Therefore, we can say that this change is also irreversible change, and new substance is formed. Therefore, this is an example of permanent change. Thank you.